Hi, my name is SHA NACINO. I'm a keynote speaker on gratitude, and I'm also the founder of the HR Summit Global. Today, I'd like to share about Brig Sushil Bhasin. I heard him talk during the Professional Speakers Summit in India, and I could say that I really loved his presentation. Number one, I loved his energy, and he was able to convey his energy to the audience. Number two was that he was able to make his talk entertaining. Although VUCA is a technical and serious topic, he was able to present it in a light way. Okay? And the third thing I liked about his speech was that he was able to present it in a simple way that can easily be understood and easily followed. VUCA is an acronym, right? And he was able to present solutions to VUCA using the same acronym, VUCA. So if you're interested to learn how to address VUCA or what were the solutions to VUCA, which Brigadier Sushil Bhasin presented to us, then I'd like to encourage you to invite him to speak in your event. I highly recommend Brigadier Sushil Bhasin to speak in your next event.